is my real one. Python 2 Advanced Programming, Guagua, Winter 2025. My idea. This project was inspired by the game Wordle. What did I learn and use? My project used lists and if statements. Lists. This is a list of words and numbers in square brackets. As you can see in the picture below, this list is the words that I have that you can guess. And the if statement, this is how you determine this is how you determine the next step when you have chosen an action to do. So this is my action, like question basically. If CH equals chosen words, square brackets I, then we have result colors I equals color correct. And here are some of my code examples. So the first one is for the grid, you need some squares. So this is the squares. This is how I drew the squares. And for the second one, this is to the letters, like if I did right or wrong, or if I did the letter in the wrong place. So here we have a live demonstration. So here you can see import. I have these inputs, import random, import title as X, and I have the list I just showed you. These are the colors, and this is the draw square, this is the draw timer, but it didn't go really well. This is the draw grid to like position where the squares go. This is the draw keyboard, because later I'll show you that there's a keyboard, and that's how we draw a keyboard. And there are also update keyboard to see if like they would do colors if it's right or if it's wrong. And also this is like saying like, sorry, you got it wrong. And there's the another U1 over here. So that was my live demonstration. My favorite part of this project was looking at the final result and playing the game. As you can see, here's a keyboard, and it's green because the E is in the right place. There's a yellow E because there's an E in here, but it's not in the right place. I agree that it's not like in here at all. Improvements. If I were to continue working on this project, I would make the program run a bit faster, because right now the program is a bit slow, and make a better timer that works, because the timer I have here, as I said before, does not really work. I'm making the keyboard work because I can't really tap on the keys and it will show up on my screen. So maybe if we made the keyboard work, it would be a bit better. Okay, this is a demonstration of how I'm gonna play this game. So I run the game, and hopefully I have my grid. As you can see, it's a bit slow to print out everything. And so I think maybe fruits, maybe. As you can see, if I didn't enter a 5-letter word, then it would say, please enter a 5-letter word. Igloo. Piper. So I don't have much much left, but this is basically how we play it. And thank you for listening.